Nosedive! Nosedive! Oh!
Your attention, please.
The new Midway entrance. Well, I guess the entrance down there, but Mr. Potato Head. Now, what, Ash? What were you screaming about? Oh, games. I don't want to play games, but we can check them out. What's it at? 45? It doesn't look that busy, but we all know that back room gets full and hot. Oh, it has air conditioning now. Cool. Oh, man. Angry dogs. I realized I started to go up. And I was too close. So let's see, we got Wally over here. Let's go take a peek. Okay. La Luna Starcatcher. You have Wally, which is your normal water cannon up the ladder. Heimlich Candy Corn Toss, which is the baseball one, which I won. And it looks like you throw beanbags?
But I have them. I have them.
Oh yeah.
I want the ladybug, or not ladybug.
So you throw beanbag candy corns into his mouth instead of baseballs. And Bullseye Stallion Stampede, well, I don't think this one has changed. This one looks the same. And then the Kugel Ball. Is this a giant one like the one in Tomorrowland? I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it.
Oh, this one's really slimy than the other one.
This one's still new. Can we stop it?
It's too...
No! Okay, I give up. It's too slimy. Then you have the back side. Oh, and Ashley just got my back all wet. The Pixar Palo Rounds. I asked Ashley if she wants to go on it. She just stared at me. She's petrified of heights.
No.
I mean, petrified of heights. We did it once, and she was like, "Don't move, don't move." Yeah, it was bad. And then the one store I wanted to check out, and I was really hoping, really hoping, would be fully open and operational, but it's not. Bing bong, sweet stuff. We will be back here either tomorrow or Sunday because I need their drinks. Smell it. Does it smell? I just made you smell a stuffed animal. But it does smell yummy. But see, the memory refreshers. We're gonna come and try those either tomorrow or Sunday. At least I will. Who knows if Ashley will. But he's not there. He's not there. So let's see. So this is pretty much all. This is kind of the same store as the other one. Is it not?
It is. It's
I mean,
big guy with like...
well, right. Instead of the big guy stretching, it's a rainbow. But no, I mean, it's the one on top of the pier. It's just like all random Pixar stuff. I mean, yeah, you get Inside Out stuff here, but then like Coco right there. And Ashley just picked up a mannequin. I don't think you're supposed to do that. But then you get the Monsters U. So I think it's the same store as the one up above.
Squirrel! Yes. Tony wants that one.
Yeah, but he doesn't want it for kids.
No, he says, Tony says he wants his ear like that. Squirrel.
I don't.
Look at the refreshers.
Okay, let's go look at the refreshers. Guys, I have a Galaxy. I really wish they made cases for Galaxies. It's a turtle.
No, it's Squirt.
Well, it's Squirt, but it is a turtle. I like the unicorn.
I like this one. You know, because it says mine.
And Sadness is cute. Oh, yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh, the
look
otter.
at the otter.
Otter.
It looks like Bowie.
It kind of does look like Bowie.
Which is our dog.
Oh, I think they know who Bowie is.
You
Those
see him once
those
in a
that
while.
watch my rants and he'll randomly go behind me.
You guys want to meet Raider?
Yeah, that'll be the next one. You guys will have to meet Raider. More stuff, more plush, more stuff, more fluff. Your normal goof candy. Okay, let's take a peek. Oh no! I'm zoomed in, by the way, so it's like really close. Oh god. So I know I'm gonna end up trying the rainbow unicorn, sunshine in a cup, imaginary fowl, slow burn, and gluey blues. And we'll go through them all. Once we go to get them, we'll go through and look at the flavors, and that way you can see what's in them. And Ashley's got a question. What's your question? She forgot.
How come they're now doing all like Toy Story and these guys, these little aliens, like why are they all into it now? Is it because everyone likes it now? Like, do you guys notice that like all of a sudden now they start doing it?
Well, I think it's because Toy Story is coming out again. Like Toy Story 4 is coming out next year. So I think the whole aliens and all that kind of stuff, I'm pretty sure at least,
Well, that's cool.
is because of Toy Story 4. But yeah, all of a sudden I noticed these. Blue
I like
raspberry,
this one.
blue raspberry popcorn.
But she's blue, you know.
Well, right, and blue raspberry is pretty awesome.
And Happy
Okay.
has confetti.
Question.
What?
You have red hot candy corn, confetti corn, blue raspberry. Why is the darkness fruit punch?
Because it's medicine.
But why is it fruit punch? Well, and dark, like that
I thought
should
it
be
was
grape.
grape.
Right, no, it's fruit punch. Look,
Well, would you
fruit
want,
punch.
Would you want grape
Look at the
flavor?
color. I would want grape over fruit punch black candy corn.
There's a big apple.
There's a what? Oh yeah, I wanted to look at the apples. Let's see what we got. They're actually really cute cupcakes. Some brownies and fudge. That's a peppermint tail. Oh, these are cute. The cake pops, these are really cute. Oh, look at the Nemo and the Dory.
That's baby door.
That's baby Dory. Some giant cookies, more cookies. More little cake pops. And Ashley, the reason we came over,
I'm inside the candy store.
it's a pig. It's a pig.
Can I get a pink lemonade?
All right. Okay, where are we gonna head next? I think we've checked out pretty much this whole store. I don't know, we could try to look and see if we can see into where Emotional Whirlwind's gonna be. Okay, here's the construction. Oh yeah, you can't see anything. It's just a purple wall. Stroke the purple wall. Alright guys, quote or leave your comment if you know what movie I was trying to attempt to quote there.
That means too many people know that.
Well, right, because Ashley's not a big fan of that movie and I love that movie. Just stroke the purple wall. But yeah, they really, guys, haven't done anything. And if you didn't know, this used to be where the Maliboomer was. But yeah, they really haven't done much of anything. And it's mainly because it was only just like a month and a half ago that Flick's Flyers shut down and was relocated or moved. And, well, right, it hasn't been relocated yet. But basically, Flick's Flyers is what Emotional Whirlwind is going to be. They're just taking that same exact ride, you know, decking it out with Inside Out, and then putting it over there. Like it's the exact same ride. It's like literally the exact same ride. So once they move it over here, they just have to build the structure for it, basically. Build the queue line, redo the physical ride, and then pull it out, put it in, strap it in. It's pretty much ready to go. So we've pretty much saw all of Pixar Pier. Overall, Pixar Pier is not bad. I anticipated it kind of impeding, see if I get out of the sun, impeding my enjoyment a little too much because I'm such an old school kind of person. So I like my Paradise Pier. Pixar Pier wasn't that bad. I mean, yeah, it's not great. I still want Paradise Pier. I want the original Paradise Pier, like all that back. I want the Sun Wheel rather than Mickey. But anyways, overall, I give it a B-. Just because. Just because. So, anyways, Ashley doesn't want to talk because she doesn't want to be a Debbie Downer. And I'm trying to get the sun out of the way. The sun's just being a pain, and it's truly being a pain in the butt. So we're off to Goofy Sky School, and it's been a while since we've been on this, so I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro. Okay, it's been a while. You got my hat? Don't lose my hat. Oh, bright lights. Bright lights. Bright lights. Uh-oh. That don't sound good. Oh! Oh! That hurt the bad shoulder. Really bad. Oh! Learn to fly! Oh! These turns are insane. Well, right, they're made to do that. Oh, the big one. Oh, so pretty. Oh, oh, oh! Brake check. No, nosedive, nosedive! Oh! 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 Whew. Oh, another one. Oh, the birds! Watch out for the birds! Whew. Oh. Oh. Oh, and brake check. All right. Thank you, Goofy. I've come down from the treetops, and we did this on one of my very first videos. I want to know what I am. What am I? A beaver? I think I was a beaver back then too. Let's see what this one says, or if I get the same thing. See, now I get a coyote or a wolf. That makes no sense. Okay, so I had to run in because there was no one there. Whew. I'm pretty sure that happened the same exact way last time. Only difference, guys, they took away my Mickey. There used to be a Mickey stepping stone, like right in here, like right across. It was shaped like a Mickey. It's all gone now. But, let's see. Okay, I got wolf and a beaver. I'm hardworking, but I don't know if I'd say I'm industrious. Well, I am pretty crafty. So I'm a bee wolf. A bee wolf, I like it. Let's go with that, a bee wolf. Alright, so we came and conquered Redwood Creek Trail. I know we didn't show too much, but we've done a whole video, like one of our very first videos was about Redwood Creek Trail. But I needed to put on record while we walk over toward the Lamplight Lounge for dinner. I need to put it on record in case Ashley ever steals my phone. She did not. and I repeat, did not conquer all the bridges. She went on one and was petrified watching me go over them all. So I wanted to put it on record that she did not. And she's laughing and getting mad at me.
No one did
Because
that.
she didn't. No. So we're off to dinner. So we'll see you inside the Lamplight Lounge.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief.